Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to FS22 on Frankenmuth. It's been a little while, but our wheat is ready to harvest. It's finally July, and Farm Master is gonna be on his way pretty soon. I think he's gonna run, I don't know yet. All he told me that, is that he was gonna run something, I don't know. So I gotta move my new seed runner out of the way, and I gotta move the 8110. Fire her up. Ooh, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna hook this up to the seed tender. This thing can be a little complicated because of the auger in the front. Alright, right here, now I'm gonna back the combine out. The S680. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright, I gotta take this easy here. There we go. Surprisingly, this thing is still clean. It's not even covered in dust. So,
This is Rubber Ducky on the radio. Come and look for every wagon.
alright. Copy. I'm just gonna get this to the field really quick, and then I'll get the header cart. Alright guys, so I got the header cart out, and now we're gonna attach it. Farm Master just rolled in with some gravity wagons. Did you get the 47 or the 49?
49, four-wheel drive, baby.
Oh, cool.
So you want me to move the 8R?
The 8R, but I have it.
Oh yeah, I want me to move it.
Oh, right there. Yeah, sure. It's kind of in the way. Just pull around me. I think you can get around me.
Yep. Okay.
Just barely.
Back up. Yeah, it's better.
There we go. Alright. I got straw swath on, and let's go. Wheat harvest. First one in Griffin, Indiana. Alright, I'm gonna start with headlands. Always gotta start with headlands. Yield's doing pretty good. We're at 7% already. I just started. Oh yeah, showing some green in the map for yield.
That's good.
Yep. Sure is.
Are you gonna bail this up?
Yeah, maybe, or I'll see if Brett wants to. He likes to bale stuff, because he actually did in his last field. I don't really need him, but I'll see if he wants to. He probably will. Alright, end of the pass here.
How many hours you got on that combine?
3.8.
Nice. I got on this tractor 3.1.
Alright, so we're just about full. Didn't quite make it. Oh, what's
I got a broken axle here.
Oh. Oh no. What'd you do?
Come here. I don't know, but I don't know. I hit something and it broke. Shoot.
Come on, dude. Why couldn't you just? Oh.
What? I was coming down here and I hit
Why?
a rock.
Why'd you take the road though? You could have just taken my path.
I did take the road.
Oh, jeez. Well, this isn't good. Do you think maybe we should?
I think I can just drive it out, like. Oh no.
Oh no.
I wanted to do that. Okay.
Oh my god.
This is not good. This is not good.
It's not. Just trying something.
Dude, I think you're just gonna break it more.
No, I won't.
Holy crap. Bro, my axle just broke. Holy crap, man.
I didn't think it could
What am
do
I
that.
supposed to do here? Bro, and I only hit like the littlest rock and it snapped. That's crazy.
Alright, hold on a minute. I'll just
You think he's still unload?
Wait, we could probably leave the last gravity wagon here. I'll just fill that one.
Here. Yeah, fill on that.
Whoa,
Fill that one,
spilled
right?
some.
I'll try to detach it like that and then just drive this one out of here. Hopefully Bill does not catch me. I'll be
Wait,
not
that's
that
Bill's?
happy.
Oh my god.
No, it's not Bill. You know Sheriff Bill?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, him?
Me,
Oh, I thought you meant Bill, the local farmer that everybody knows.
No.
Alright.
Holy crap, it's really bent. Let's see
All
if
right.
I can just take this back to the farm, man.
Yeah, I think
leave
I
it-
have
can I
something
leave
in
it?
there that I can fix it up with. Alright, we're just smooth sailing. Farmmaster said he went back, to his place. He said he had the biggest surprise in the history of surprises. You know what? I think I need to, take a break for some reason. Let's see. What the heck? What the flip?
Will, you there on the CV? This is Rubber Ducky.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Well, we gotta watch the poll. Oh, actually, you're fine. Dude, how many gravity wagons are these?
I forgot about the poll. That's my fault.
Oh my god.
Do you want to unload?
Yeah, sure. Actually, I have to unload. Dude,
Forgot
this
about
is
the poll
insane.
Are you gonna ask like how did I get this?
Yeah, how did you even get this over here?
Well,
Did Sheriff Bill catch you? Cause he's kind of annoying.
Oh, no, he didn't catch me. He overloaded himself with donuts and now he passed out. He's now sleeping in his truck. But I'll just say, oh shoot, there's the angry man. I gotta go.
Oh, there's Brett.
I gotta go with Brett. Oh shoot, Brett, don't chase me. Oh god.
What's going on?
Brett is. Brett. You'll never get me alive.
What?
Oh, shoot.
What?
Go away. Down this hill. Go up this hill real quick.
No, don't do that.
This is what
You already broke. You already broke the first axle on your gravity wagon. Why'd you do that?
Farm master's more like farm retarded master.
Also, best.
Dang, bro, me personally. How many gravity wagons you got, Farm Master?
Yes, I am not.
These aren't mine.
Yes,
Are those like 21?
I paid all. I paid all of them.
Dude, what is Brett doing too? What?
Get out.
Why is Brett mad at you?
No, Brett ain't mad at me. These are my gravity wagons. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I'm guessing there are about like 20 gravity wagons at least.
Get the hell out of the tree, boy.
No, I ain't. Sorry, brother. I will literally run this straight back to town.
Holy crap, that's a
away.
lot of
I will
wagons.
steal your.
I'll run you over.
You know what?
I
I'm stealing
will-
your pickup truck.
There's the end.
I'm stealing your pickup truck. I'm gonna go to your garage. I'm gonna break your door again. I'm gonna break your house door.
I'm gonna send this off this little piece of straw here. Woohoo!
What are you doing?
I'm sending it. That's what I'm doing.
I swear to God, if you drive through my corn, I'm gonna be so mad. Hey, I'm almost full. I'm at 89%. Hey, Brett. Why are you even at my farm? Are you supposed to fix the wagon?
Yeah, I was until this was the credit of my stuff. So, yeah.
Totally my stuff.
Say goodbye to your DLX cat. It's going in the ditch.
No! I'm driving up there. See ya. Wait, let's go back up over the jump.
Oh my God.
Farm
Wait,
Master,
this is.
back to your truck.
Farm Master, stop! Why'd you do that?
I needed to turn around.
I'm pulling a John Deere right now.
I'm still in
Pause right now, and my headphones are there. Everyone started looking at me like, what are they talking about?
Farm Master, go with the. You know what? I'm suing you tomorrow. Tomorrow.
I'm suing you. You broke all my doors. Oh, you broke all my doors.
Oh my
You broke
god.
everything. I'm just in.
Oh, there's a car! There's a car! Oh no! Oh no!
Yes. Come on.
You're so frustrating. You guys heard me.
There you go.
No, it's not over.
Oh no.
I'm still
Please
alive.
don't.
Ah.
Alright guys, so we're now finished with the wheat. Did Brett fix the axle on the wagon?
No, he didn't. He left it and started getting mad at me.
Yeah, probably did. Or he didn't have the right tools for it. But anyways, I'm just finishing up the little bit that I missed. Apparently this thing isn't wide enough. If I had a 50-footer, I could... Oh yeah, I see the wagons over there. That was so
Not a
funny.
piece of land.
It was so
Yeah, I
funny.
left it over by his field so he could do his work.
Alright. Nah, man. Got another wage payment. Oh well. It's not like they're that much. It was only $9. I forgot to ask Brett if he wanted to bale up the straw. So I honestly don't really need it. Alright.
Alright, we got soybeans growing fields too.
Nice. Alright,
Alright, I gotta go
Oh.
see my equipment real quick.
Alright. I'm gonna unload the rest of this and then I'll probably end the video. Whoa! 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 Jeez.
No!
This thing's a little more jerky.
No!
Why? What'd you
Oh
do?
my god!
What'd you
I
do?
didn't do anything but... Brett! No!
Oh no, what'd he do?
Loser. Guess, just give a guess. Oh my god, he did a lot of things. It's bad.
Like what?
Oh yeah, it's bad. It's really bad. Wait, let's see if anything else.
I honestly
Just give
saw
a
this
guess,
coming.
Just give a guess. Yeah, give a guess. Give a guess. Just give a guess.
Okay guys, so it looks like Farm Master and Brett had a little showdown today. I'm gonna head to his place, but anyways, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out Farm Master's channel down below. It's a really great channel. You should subscribe to him and like his videos.
No!
Okay, I should probably go and help him. Well, thanks guys!